this would be the way that we recommend you do your installation if you were to buy this product from us and you're not familiar with working with wrapping film. So I did, as I mentioned, send up some markers for alignment purposes to make it a little bit quicker as you watch. So you would tape it into place, stand back and look at it, make sure you like the alignment, how it looks, making sure that it's straight and to your liking. And then you would put a center hinge. This is what we mean when we say center hinge, and that is putting a piece of masking tape that is stuck to the surface of the machine on one side all the way across the top of the graphic to the other side. That is putting the stripe in its place where you want it to be installed. So when you do a center hinge, it's not going to walk on you or move. Wherever you tape it is where it's going to fall. So this product has the top protective transfer tape on it, which does make it a little bit thicker and easier to work with. So now you have your center hinge on. Basically what you're going to do is install half at a time. So in this case, we're going to go from the middle or the center hinge up towards the windshield. So you peel back the graphic. This is the backing paper. This is the back of your decal. And on the opposite side is the transfer tape. So the paper and the transfer tape are going to end up being garbage. So you have to cut away the paper so that you can install the graphic. So the same thing, you're going to start from the middle and work your way to the outside edges in overlapping strokes. Again, I'm just letting it fall into place. I'm not really guiding it or pushing the film. It's just falling into place as I squeegee it. Again, the way these are designed, they're very user-friendly. It's not a hard graphic to install, but it can really change the appearance of how your bike looks, personalizing it to a variety of different tastes. So half of this is now installed. Top half is installed, bottom half needs to be installed. So now you don't need the center hinge, so I took that off because the stripe is now holding it into place. Now we're going to install the second half. So typically I just support it, and again you start from the what has already been tacked, and using your overlapping strokes, let it fall into place. If you get a little bunch, you don't have to panic. You can pick it up. The transfer tape limits the film just a hair, although this is air release wrapping film transfer tape. It's made for wrapping film, so it is quite conformable in comparison to a lot of transfer tapes that people may use for graphics that they're offering online. But this is one of the easiest transfer tapes to work with because it too has air release and conformability qualities. Again, the whole idea is to make these products as easy as possible for you to use when you do your install. So this is all squeegeed out. Once it's down and you've got it squeegeed into position, then you just have to peel the top transfer tape to actually expose the racing stripe. Again, we feel we're going to end up calling these badge panels because they kind of highlight and accent the badge. If you do have any little air bubbles, you can simply take your finger and push down on the film, and that will push the air out if there's any left. So I thought this one's a pretty cool one. Again, it was done with the gloss laminate. You could have an option potentially for matte finish if somebody wanted that. Let me move it over to the center so you can get a feel of what that looks like. But that's a nice little accent. It's not too much. It's in the center of the frunk, accenting the emblem. as we had mentioned. But the whole idea of this video was just to show you how easy our film is to work with, and that really corresponds with all the film that we offer, whether it's racing stripes or decals, various graphics, etc. So that should give you a pretty good feel, hopefully helps you to gain some confidence as to whether you could apply the product yourself. So we really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to us via email if you like, sales@wrapmyspyder.com. You can go to the website and go to the Contact Us if you prefer. And we hope that you found this video beneficial and informative. And again, this is Pete with Wrap My Spyder, and we certainly thank you for taking the time to watch this video.